In this video, I'll show you how to export contacts from HubSpot. So here I am on the dashboard, and all you need to do is come to the left panel. You'll see this option right here. It looks like an address book or a phone book. Go ahead and hover over here and then click on contacts. Now, you'll be redirected to this page. So go ahead and select all the contacts that you want to go ahead and export. So if you want 2 of these or 3 of these, you just check all of those. Or what we can do is come and check this one right here next to name, on the left of name, right? So once you check this, you have selected all of your contacts, and it's very easy to export actually. You just come here and click on export here at the top right. Okay. And once you click on export, you can see it will export 27 contacts. Whatever you want to name the export, you can go ahead and do that. What file format you would like. I'll stick to CSV, the language of the column headers, and now just go ahead and click on export. There you go. The export file is currently being processed, and you can track it right here. Okay. As you can see, it is all being processed, and usually it gets sent to your email. But if you want, you can just click on this right here to download it as well. Okay. And you'll see that it'll actually start downloading. There you go. And you can open that up on your Excel. All right, there you go. It has opened up, and it's really this easy and simple.